Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the distributive law. Distributive law or Nernst distribution law gives a generalization which governs the distribution of a solute between two miscible solvents. Okay, so it means the effect of the addition of a solute to a pair of immiscible liquids, water and carbon tetrachloride, for example, are practically immiscible with each other, but iodine dissolves both in water and carbon tetrachloride. When iodine is added to a mixture of water and carbon tetrachloride at a certain temperature, iodine distributes itself between the two miscible layers, water and carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so let the concentration of iodine in water and carbon tetrachloride be C1 and C2. So at particular temperature, Kd will be equal to C1 upon C2. Here Kd is called the distribution coefficient or partition coefficient, and it is constant at a constant temperature. It is solute between the two solvents. If more iodine is added to the system, it again distributes itself between the two layers. Now the concentration of iodine in both the layers will be more than that in the previous case. Let the concentration be C1 dash and C11 dash in water and CCl4 layers respectively. Through C1 dash will be greater than C1 and C11 dash will be greater than C11. The ratio C1 dash divided by C11 dash is again equal to the constant K. It means we have increased the concentration in both solvent. C1 upon C11 or C2 is equal to C1 dash upon C11 dash or C2 dash, which is equal to Kd. So it means it is equal to C1 dash upon C2 dash. Okay, so this is dash. It is evident that in each case I2 distributes itself between the two miscible layers in such a way that the ratio of its concentration in the two layers is a constant. At a certain temperature, it was pointed out by Nernst that the ratio C1 upon C11 is constant only when the solute exists in the same molecular form. The relative molecular mass of solute is same in two layers. The Nernst distribution law may be stated as follows. At a fixed temperature, a substance X distributes itself between the two miscible solvents A and B in equilibrium with each other in such a way that the ratio of the concentration of X in two solvents is constant, provided that the solute X is in the same molecular rate in both the solvents. Mathematically, concentration of X in solvent A divided by concentration of X in solvent B is equal to Kd. Okay, the constant Kd is distribution constant, I have already told you, and as the concentration increases there is a deviation in the value of K. Now the important thing is that on what factors K depend. K depends upon the nature of the solute, nature of the solvent, the temperature of the solution, and environment. The distribution law can be derived into the account thermodynamic consideration.